question for you guys. What do you remember of your mom cooking something in your kitchen and a sound always clicked and you ran to the kitchen? Hey mom, what is on your mind? That was the sound of our famous mixer. In 1960s, there was this huge problem in Indian kitchens that there was no machine or there was nothing which could cook or make chutneys from normal mirchi to coconut. Mr. Satya Prakash, a normal engineer, saw this as a problem and at the same time saw this as an opportunity. I am talking none other than the biggest brand called Sumeet. It was not just functional, it was not just aesthetic, it was not just a proper product for the kitchen, but it was very tuned in to the Indian kitchens. There were a lot of products which could have beaten Sumeet, but till date it is the most functional, most simple and very easy to use product. What did Sumeet exactly do in the world of design? They made a mixer which will understand the crowd. What was that crowd? We wanted, back in 1960s, we wanted one unit which can grind everything whatever you put in that steel jars. Maybe it is a coconut, a wet coconut, a dry coconut. The textures are different and they are hard, they are soft. At the same time, it should also grind carrots, it should also grind your chutneys, it should also grind your juice, everything in one. Today we call it as food processor, we call it as nutri blends, but in 1960s people only looked at something which will replace the moment of grinding. And why this was needed is people also wanted to go for jobs. The most time consuming way of making a chutney, of course it was beautiful, but the time consuming was very hectic. To clean a stone, to clean everything was very lengthy process. And when this came in, there was a revolution all over the world. For India, a mixer which stands stood for more than 20 to 30 years, beating all the competitors till date. It has been used from every Indian kitchen to urban to rural. Nothing has replaced those steel jars, those L-shaped design, those perfectly built blades, and most unforgettable is the motor which grinded everything you put in that mixer. This is the history of Sumeet grinders, and that has actually evolutionized what we call it as design, which was not just built to make a function, but it should be sustainable, it should be used, and it should be very much functional. And today it was not just a mixer, but it is a legend in itself. That is what is our takeaway today. If you relate to this story, do comment what is that one product that is connected with you from your childhood till date. Thank you.